Hello, this is One Pleasure Studio here. Welcome to my coding game series where I solve problem solving challenges on easy difficulty. Today, the puzzle that I'm going to solve is called Detective Pikaptcha Episode 1. In this video, there's going to be two parts. The first part is me reading the puzzle so I can understand what to do, and the second part of this video is me solving the puzzle. So let's find out what I need to do. Detective Pikaptcha is investigating a disturbance in the space-time continuum. It seems a powerful pokébot is being used to warp space around our hero to keep him trapped. Help him map his surroundings in order to escape and uncover the culprit. Your objective is to write a program that will compute for each cell of a grid the number of adjacent passengers. What are the rules? You're given a grid field with 0 and hashtags, where 0 represents a passage, where hashtag represents a rule. Impossible cell. We're considering the 4 adjacencies, meaning a cell has a maximum of 4 adjacent cells, which is a diagonal cell, which is not adjacent. You must analyze the given grid and return it with a small transformation. For each empty cell, instead of a 0, you must return the number of its adjacent possible cells. For each impossible cell, you charge nothing, but you still return with a hashtag. So the game protocol, I'm not going to use Java, I'm going to use C++. So let's find out what coding game has provided me to do. The first line, the first 2 lines is basically the width and height integer for the sizes of the grid. For this line, it's basically a string of width where 0 is a passage and hashtag is a wall. For the for loop, it's basically the maze is enclosed in impassable rocks that are not included in the data. And for the output, is basically the height line of width characters, each containing the transformed grid. The constraint is 1 less than equal to width, and height is less than equal to 100. Allotted response time to output is 2 seconds. There are 8 test cases for me to solve, from a small chamber, 2 chambers, a trapped, crossroad, spars, many crosses, spanning tree, and prims. Now the second part of the video begins.